Want to find the top 5 highest sales from a list of product transactions? Let's do it in seconds using large and SUMPRODUCT. I've got a list of product sales here, with the total sale amount in column E. Now let's say I want to know the sum of just the top 5 sales. To accomplish this, we will use the combination of SUMPRODUCT and large formula. This tells Excel, look into the total sales column, pick the top 5 values, and sum them up. Of course, we can use it for other inputs like top 3 or top 10 or whatever you want to sum. And there have it, the combined total from the 5 biggest transactions. This trick is perfect for top seller reports, performance bonuses, or trend analysis. This is tip number 18 in our 500+ Excel tips and tricks in the playlist. It is helpful. Subscribe and stay tuned for more powerful formulas like this one. Thanks for watching.